this tutorial we will see that how you can fix Wi-Fi not working on Samsung Galaxy phone in just few steps. So let's dive right in. I will show you two methods that will guaranteed work for you. For the first step, open your phone settings. Open Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi is not working, simply turn off this Wi-Fi from here. After turning this off, keep pressing your power button and it will show you these options to restart or power on. Simply select restart. After restarting your phone, open up your phone settings again. Open Wi-Fi and try to connect again. Restarting phone helps to refresh your phone softwares. This method will fix your Wi-Fi problem. If it's still not working, what you can do is from your phone settings, search for reset. Here it is. Here you will get option reset network settings. Open it and then open the first one, reset network settings again. Confirm it from here and it will start resetting your network settings from your device. After resetting, you can simply turn on your Wi-Fi and try to connect it again. And this method will work for sure. But if it's still not working, maybe this fault is not in your software. It can be in hardware. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi not working on Samsung Galaxy phone in just few steps.